Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Today, we will define the project scope and user goals for your SOS PWA. The app targets French speakers needing quick emergency guidance and contacts. Build a progressive web app that installs to home screens and works offline. Focus on a small core shell near 200 KB to ensure fast loads on mobile networks. Prioritize responsiveness and a 60 FPS feel when animating. Plan for concise content blocks, large touch targets, and immediate access to emergency numbers and first aid steps. Write a manifest. JSON that defines name, short name, start URL, display, and background color. Include icons sized 48x48, 72x72, 96x96, 192x192, and 512x512 pixels for proper installs. Set orientation to portrait and prefer related applications to false. Localize all user-facing strings in FRFR and format dates and numbers accordingly. Use 16px minimum body. Implement a service worker that precaches the app shell and serves it from cache. Use a runtime cache for API calls and images, applying a stale while revalidate strategy. Limit precache entries to 50 and set max age to 30 days for shell assets. Make the service worker update logic skip waiting and claim clients on activation. Serve the site over HTTPS and enable HSDS for security and installability. Deploy to a CDN with HTTP2 support and test installs on Android and modern browsers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.